So good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this day we are going to discuss about the operations of integers. So how are we going to add integer? For today is all about operations on integers. So as we all know that there are four fundamental operations in mathematics. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So first, let's now have a definition of integers. Some basic definitions. So first, we have natural numbers are the counting numbers. Examples, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those numbers are counting numbers or natural numbers. How about whole numbers? Whole numbers are the set of natural numbers with zero included. So meaning from counting numbers or natural numbers, we are going to add only zero. So we start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Integers are the set of all whole numbers and their opposites. So we have here our whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the opposite of 0 is 0. The opposite of 1 is negative 1. So the opposite of 2 is negative 2. So these are the very important definitions. Let's now have addition of integers. Example, consider the addition 3 plus 2. So we can illustrate the addition using hollow dots for positive numbers. So we have 3 dots, hollow dots, plus 2 is equal to 5. We conceptually understand the gathering up of like items to find the total. Consider the addition negative 3 plus negative 2. Similarly, we can illustrate the addition using solid dots for negative numbers. If our negative 3 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 5 because they have the same solid dots. We again conceptually understand the gathering up of like items to find the total. So if you have the same sign, you just add immediately, then affix the sign. But what does 3 plus negative 2 mean? How can we illustrate addition of integers? So if they are not the same sign, we will again use dots to illustrate the addition. Let a positive number be represented by a hollow dot and a negative number be represented by a solid dot. A solid dot and a hollow dot are opposites and therefore when joined annul each other. Consider the addition 3 plus negative 2. So we have here, we can illustrate the addition using solid and hollow dots. So we have 3 hollow dots plus negative 2 which is the solid. So they are going to annul each other. So the remaining is hollow dot which is 1. So therefore 3 plus negative 2 is equal to 1. Now consider the addition negative 3 plus 2. Again illustrate the addition using solid and hollow dots. So 3, negative 3 plus 2, they are going to join each other. So they annul. So it means the solid dot is negative 1. To recap, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, same sign addends. Negative 3 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 5. So they are the first two examples, same sign addends. How about 3 plus negative 2 equals 1? Different sign addends. Negative 3 plus 2 is equal to negative 1. Can we describe a general rule for adding integers? We see two cases, same sign addends and different sign addends. So addition of integers, when the addends have the same sign, add the absolute value of the addends. The sign of the sum will be the common sign of the addends. So when the addends have different signs, take the absolute value of the addends, take the smaller from the larger absolute value. The sign of the sum will be same as the sign of the addend with larger absolute value. So when addends have the same sign, add the numbers and keep the sign. When the addends have different signs, do a takeaway and keep the sign of the larger number. We can also use the number line and direction arrows to illustrate addition of integers. Let a positive number be represented by a facing arrow and a right facing arrow, and a negative number represented by left facing. So we have positive going to the right, negative going to the left. So model the addition 3 plus 2 using the number line to find the sum. So we have here, start at 0 and draw the line first, add in 3. So going to the right, 1, 2, 3. From where the first arrow ends, draw the second, add in 2, positive. So since it ends at 3 plus 2, so where the second arrow ends is the sum. So the sum is 5. How about negative 3 plus negative 2 using the number line to find the sum? Start at 0 and do the first addend. So 0, then negative 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3. From where the first arrow ends, draw the second addend, negative 2. So 1, 2. Therefore, the answer is negative 5, where the second arrow ends is the sum. For 3 plus negative 2, using the number line to find the sum, we have 1, 2, 3. So start at 0 and do the first addend, 3 positive. From where the first arrow ends, draw the second and since negative 2, 1, 2, 3, at the end, you go back 2 to the left. So therefore, where the second arrow ends is the sum, that is positive 1. How about negative 3 plus 2 using the number line to find the sum? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Start at 0 and do the first addend, which is negative 3. From where the first arrow ends, draw the second addend 2, since positive 2 or plus 2. So you go back to the right, 1, 2. So the answer is negative 1, where the second arrow ends is the sum. Model the addition negative 5 plus 3 using the number line to find the sum. So how about negative 5 plus 3? Start at 0 and do the first addend. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because negative facing left. Since positive 3, you go back 3. 1, 2, 3. So draw the second addend 3. Therefore, the answer is negative 2. How about 5 plus negative 3? Using the solid and hollow dots. So we have, okay, they annul each other. The remaining is 2 hollow, which is positive 2. So for your practice problems on handout, find the sum of the following integers. Okay, number 1, 5 plus negative 10. Number 2, negative 7 plus 5. Number 3, negative 4 plus negative 6. 4, negative 10 plus 13. 5, negative 24 plus 10. Okay, let's check your answers. For number 1, what is your answer? Number 2, 3, 4, 5. So for number 1, okay, we have negative 5. Number 2, negative 7 plus 5, negative 2. Number 3, negative 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 10 because they have the same sign. So you just add immediately, fix the sign. Negative 10 plus 13 is positive 3. Negative 24 plus 10 is equal to negative 14. So I hope you know already how to add integers. So let's now have subtraction. Thank you very much for watching about operations on integers. For more videos on mathematics lessons, you can click subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please click subscribe. Then you can click the bell button. Then you can post comment below. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy mathematics.